and your colleague have been hired to observe and rate behavior. Your client is EasyVac Steam Cleaner. EasyVac Steam Cleaner has hired and trained homemakers to use their carpet cleaners. The company's goal is to have the homemakers introduce the machines to their friends and neighbors in order to generate higher sales. The company is ready to observe the homemakers shampoo carpets in order to make sure they are using the cleaners correctly. You and your colleague have been hired to observe and rate the homemakers. Prior to evaluating the true target audience, you need to determine if all raters are observing the behavior similarly. The first step is to review with the raters the instruments used to measure the homemakers' performances, and then show the raters what optimal performance looks like using videotaped examples. Next, train the raters on how to evaluate the homemakers' behaviors. Let them practice rating different people's behaviors by watching various performances, either live or by videotape. Once you are confident the raters have agreement, then test their intra and inter rater reliability. You would do so by letting them view a tape of a homemaker using the carpet cleaner and have them rate her behavior. Next, have the raters return the next day to view the same tape and rate it again. After you collect the raters' data, next enter the data into a statistical software package so you can calculate intra and inter-rater reliability. Remember, intra-rater reliability is comparing Rater 1's first viewing to Rater 1's second viewing, and then Rater 2's first viewing to Rater 2's second viewing. Whereas inter-rater reliability is comparing Rater 1's first viewing to Rater 2's first viewing, and then Rater 1's second viewing to Rater 2's second viewing. Moreover, the statistic used to ascertain the reliability between and within raters is called a correlation. Thus, a high correlation, such as 0.95, suggests high inter and intra-rater reliability, whereas if the correlation was a 0.25 or 0.30, then the correlation would be considered low and more rater training would be needed. So now you understand how to assess intra and inter-rater reliability.